I'm actually on break from work right now, and honestly, this is probably the realest moment to talk about why I invest in real estate. Because most people think I'm doing this because I want to get rich. And yeah, money matters. I'm not pretending it doesn't. But that's not the real deeper reason. When I first got interested in real estate, I thought mostly about money. I thought about cash flow and equity, appreciation, rental income, all the stuff people online talk about. But the deeper I got into it, the more I realized this isn't really about houses. It's about building a different kind of life. A lot of people spend most of their lives waking up early, driving to work, spending all day building somebody else's goals, then coming home exhausted, repeating that same cycle for decades. And somewhere in the middle of all that, your kids grow up. That honestly bothers me. I don't want the best hours of my life constantly going somewhere else, while my family gets whatever energy I have left. And look, I'm not against jobs. I still work hard. I'm literally at work now. But I know I wanted to build something for me too. That's what I love about real estate. It's tangible. You can walk into something broken, solve problems, put in effort, and physically make it better. That's satisfying in a lot of ways that modern work just isn't. And one day, I want my kids beside me too. Maybe they can paint, maybe they can learn how to use tools, maybe they can clean out a property. But more importantly, they can learn responsibility, work ethic, patience, and how to solve problems. Because honestly, a lot of people grow up today without practical skills. Nobody teaches them how to fix things, manage money, communicate well, or work through problems without quitting. Real estate forces you to learn all these things. And this business really isn't easy. Things break, projects go over budget, tenants call at bad times, deals fall apart. There have been nights that I got off exhausted, went straight to a property, and genuinely questioned whether buying it was a mistake. Sometimes it feels so overwhelming, but I'd still rather struggle building something for myself than spend my whole life building someone else's dreams. And another thing, I'm not chasing some fake internet lifestyle. I'm not trying to look rich online. I don't care about renting exotic cars for Instagram. I'd rather drive an older truck, but eat lunch with my family someday and spend time building something that actually matters to me. And the cool thing about real estate is the work actually means something. You improve homes, you improve neighborhoods, you create places where people build their lives. That matters. So yeah, money matters, but the real reason I invest in real estate is because I'm trying to build a different kind of future, one where my family is around more, where my kids learn real skills, and the work we actually do means something. And yeah, I definitely don't have all this figured out yet. I'm still learning, still making mistakes, still building this one project at a time. So if you're into real estate, DIY projects, building wealth, learning practical skills, or just trying to build a better life for your family, that's what this channel is about. I'll see you in the next video. I'm heading back to work.